Hello and welcome to G Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Canon PIXMA MegaTank G7020, the all-in-one printer, and some of the benefits of having an ink tank style printer as opposed to the traditional ink cartridge style. Let's get started. Welcome to the channel, where we review tech and tech-related products. I'm your host, Gross. This is the Canon PIXMA MegaTank G7020 all-in-one printer. It's a great option for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient printer for their home or office. The Canon MegaTank all-in-one printer can handle all of the printing and scanning, copying, and faxing needs. It has a sleek and modern design that would look great on any home and office setting. One of the standout features of this printer is its MegaTank ink system, which allows for high volume of printing without the need of frequent ink refills. In fact, the G7020 can print up to 6,000 black and white pages or 7,000 color pages on a single set of ink. This does not only save you time and money, but it's also better for the environment as it reduces waste from the disposable ink cartridges from the traditional printers. The G7020 has a high print resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi, which ensures that your documents and photos come out crisp and clear. It also has a built-in scanner with a high resolution of 2400 by 4800 dpi, so you can easily digitalize your documents and photos. The G7020 is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can easily print from your computer, smartphone, or tablet. It is compatible with a variety of different printing apps, including Canon Print, Apple AirPrint, and Google Cloud Print, as well as Moreperia print app. In terms of its design and size, even though the printer has a big tank, it is fairly smaller than the competitors that don't have ink tank but offers the all-in-one scanner, printer, copier, fax solution. After months of using this Canon PIXMA MegaTank G7020 all-in-one, I have come up with a list of pros and cons. The pros: it's an all-in-one solution: printer, fax, scanner, copier, and in color. Two-sided and borderless printing. The ink tank volume and cost. As you can see, the bottle comes pretty big and a low cost, even if you get it straight from the Canon website itself. Small size, even though it has all its functions provided. Front and back loader. You can have different paper size and it will auto select whichever paper you want. For example, if you put photo paper on the back size or a smaller size paper. Wireless option. Holds a good amount of sheets, 100 in the rear and 250 in the front. Finally, for most printers, the print head is the first thing to go in terms of after doing heavy use. But with this printer, the print head is a separate piece that's replaceable. So when it does go, you can easily replace and buy a new one instead of replacing or repairing the whole printer. When it comes to the cons, the one thing I did not like is how small the LCD screen is. It's not even backlit and the words are small. On top of that, for years I got used to the touchscreens of the older printers that I had before this. It would get a little time to get used to it, but it does do a great job. Overall, the Canon PIXMA MegaTank G7020 all-in-one printer is a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient printer for their home or office. Its MegaTank ink system allows a high volume of printing without the need of frequent refills. When it's time for a bottle refill, it has a low cost per bottle and it has a high print resolution for crisp and clear documents and photos. Its Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with various printing apps make it easy to print from a variety of devices. Well, that's it for now, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. As always, please hit the thumbs up like button, and if you're new to the channel, welcome, and subscribe if you like what you saw. Please comment below on what you would like for me to review, and don't forget to smash the bell icon to get updates of future tech reviews and future giveaways. Yes, I will be soon giving away popular tech items. It's your boy Gross. Until next time, peace.